Hello and welcome to my final project on fake news detection. There are three key research challenges in this area. First, explainability. Why do models make the decisions they do? Extracting important features can improve trust in the models, as well as exposing potential bias in the training data. Secondly, domain shift. A model trained on political data might not generalize well to health data. Third, more and more social media news depends on images and video for communicating its points, leading to an increasing volume of research focused on how to fuse features from these different modalities. While many research articles now focus on integrating explainable AI tools to interpret local model predictions, few focus on making the outputs comprehensible to users from a non-technical background. As such, this project aimed to create a user-facing app with Streamlit for creating digestible and understandable visualizations for why the model made certain predictions. So here is the user-facing web app. The user is able to paste a URL such as this Fox News fake news article in here, or paste the text directly on this tab. They can select the number of Lyme perturbed samples to use for the algorithm to balance and control the trade-off between accuracy and efficiency. Then they click classify and wait for the prediction and the results. The user can then see the breakdown of how likely the text is to be real news and how likely it is to be fake news based on the classifier's prediction. Then this expandable container shows the highlighted text with red signifying words pushing the classifier towards the fake news prediction and blue words pushing it towards the opposite real news prediction. The bar charts on the left then show the word features in descending order of importance, influencing the classifier towards the fake news or main prediction, and those pushing it towards the opposite real news prediction here in blue. On the right, the user can see how the extra engineered features influence the prediction. This chart then allows users to compare the importance scores of both the word and the extra engineered features. Finally, this section provides more detailed information about the extra features and their raw values. The first question is, why were these specific features chosen for the classifier? Well, this decision was made on the basis of a comprehensive feature analysis, which looked at this wide range of linguistic, emotional, and semantic features to see which ones showed the strongest predictive power for distinguishing between classes. For example, this code was used to extract the NRC emotion lexicon scores for these 10 dominant emotions using the NRC Lex library and extracting the affect frequencies for each text row. As is evident here, the positive emotion scores and the trust emotion scores are higher for real news than for fake news across all the datasets. This is an outline of how the best performing model on the combined dataset was constructed and trained. The news texts were pre-processed using this function. The text and labels were then pre-processed into FastText format with this function, and then a FastText model was trained on this dataset using five-fold cross-validation and F1 score as the objective function, and using the inbuilt auto-tune hyperparameter optimization functionality. This model was then used to extract FastText embeddings from each news text. The extra engineered features are then scaled and combined using HStack with the FastText embeddings. These inputs are then used to train a passive-aggressive classifier model, first optimizing its C regularization parameter, and these were the results on the all four combined validation set. Here in the app code, the word impact scores influencing the prediction are generated using this Lyme text explainer, which relies on defining this predict function, which processes a list of perturbed text generated by Lyme, which randomly removes certain words from the text. This prediction function extracts, scales, and combines the embeddings and features for each randomized text before pushing it through the classifier. This generates the class probabilities for the altered text. Lyme then calculates how removing certain words affects the final prediction to output word importance scores. To generate influence scores for the semantic and linguistic features, a similar function is implemented but for use with the Lyme tabular explainer inbuilt class instead.